Yogurt packaging machine is an important part of the automatic yogurt production process. This technology not only helps increase production efficiency, but also ensures food safety and hygiene and accuracy in product packaging. Yogurt packaging machines are often designed to automatically measure, fill and pack yogurt into bags or boxes with high accuracy. This process is done quickly and accurately, saving time and labor compared to manual packaging. This helps create yogurt products with uniform shape and ensures absorbency instructions when displayed on store shelves. The automatic cellophane making line for cookies is a modern piece of equipment in the food industry, helping to effectively enhance the packaging and preservation process of cookies. This equipment is often designed to automatically carry out the process of packaging cookies into paper bags or cellophane bags automatically and quickly. The machine uses sensors and control systems to ensure the packaging process is accurate and stable. This enhances production efficiency and reduces the labor required for the packaging process. Standing in front of the complete cheesecake cutting line, you can't help but be amazed by its automation and efficiency. With delicate and attractive cheese wheels neatly arranged on the conveyor belt, the cutting machine operates powerfully and precisely. Each slice is cut with uniformity and precision. Each wheel of cheese is cut and packed automatically and uniformly, creating final products of consistent shape and size. This is not just a cheesecake cutting system, but also a complete automated production process, from raw material preparation to final product packaging. The mangosteen sorting line is not only a conventional production system, but also a symbol of care and high quality in the production process. Looking at the diverse and uniform product line of mangosteens as they are run through the line, we can feel the care and professionalism in every step of the production process. This mangosteen classification system not only helps eliminate substandard products, but also helps increase production efficiency and save time. The attraction of the long red peppers on the line will make you unable to help but be fascinated by their efficiency. A device that easily picks up the sauce without changing its shape. Can I use it to separate an Oreo's filling from the cookie? Using lasers to clean sculptures from the ravages of time and weather. Perhaps, in less than a day, the workers could complete the replacement of the new railway tracks. The wall quickly gets a new coat thanks to this automatic paint roller system. Sweet Paris breast cakes are ready to be served anytime if your kitchen is equipped with this special machine. This big guy performs an unprecedentedly satisfying task. All concerns about cutting gift wrapper paper will be resolved thanks to this tool. This tool will undoubtedly assist workers in meeting all the demands of the construction sites. It must be acknowledged that the efficiency of this machine is well suited for illuminating plants. With this fruit packaging technology, the factory has solved the problem of expensive labor. The powerful rotating arm of the soil tiller loosens the soil layer beneath the tree roots to enhance respiration. This timeless printer can still deliver excellent efficiency. No matter how hard you try, you can't outperform this ride-on floor scraper. Not a single drop drips out. An instant ice maker that heats the up to make and separate ice cubes. Imagine the number of potatoes you could slice in a matter of seconds.